Hey guys, what's up? This is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to perform a speed test comparison between Huawei P20 Lite or Nova 3E and Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus or Redmi Note 5 smartphones. So we will perform few tasks side by side on both of these devices, and you will see and decide by yourself that which device is faster. So let's just start it. So right now both of these devices, they are switched off, so let's switch them on and let's see that which device is going to reach its lock screen or home screen first. So the winner is Huawei P20 Lite or Nova 3E, as you can see. And right now both of these devices, they are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So let's launch the Google Play Store app and let's see that which device is going to launch the application and load its homepage content first. So here we go with the Google Play Store. Now let's go back from here and now let's launch the camera application. Now let's take a picture from the front facing camera. Beauty mode is disabled right now. So it seems Huawei P20 Lite is slightly faster compared to Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 in capturing the image, processing it and sending to this tiny gallery icon. And now let's try few applications. And here you can have a look on the benchmarking test scores as well. As you can see that Huawei P20 Lite or Nova 3E was slightly faster compared to Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 or Redmi 5 Plus, and it also performed better in the benchmarking test score result on Android benchmarking. And here you can have a look once again on the Basemark OS 2 benchmarking test result. The winner is Huawei P20 Lite, and also it was slightly faster compared to Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 was slightly faster. Once again, Xiaomi device was slightly faster here. So this time Huawei P20 Lite was a bit faster. And now let's do the web browsing test. In this we are going to use the Google Chrome web browser and we will browse few websites on both of these devices and we will see that which device is faster in loading the page. And page loading is finished on Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus first. And exactly at the very same time both of these devices finished the page loading. Now let's try a few more websites. You can see that Redmi Note 5 is once again slightly faster. Even the slider and content is loading first compared to Huawei P20 Lite. So once again Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 or Redmi 5 Plus is faster in web browsing. So overall both of these devices are great devices. In few tests, performance of Huawei P20 Lite or Nova 3 was better, and in few tests performance of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 or Redmi 5 Plus was better. So if you're going to buy any of these two smartphones, you will be happy with the performance because they are pretty much same. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks and hands-on reviews like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.